Good Thursday morning, everyone. It's Eric here with an update on today's weather. We'll talk a little bit about the weekend as well. Today, not as nice as yesterday, that's for sure, but at least the rain today will be fairly light. Here's a look at the radar just after 9 a.m., about 9:15 a.m. Some thunderstorms heading down into Kentucky, but there's no thunder on the northern edge of this. It's just plain old rain, and I'll put a loop on this. As the data loads, you can see that all of this is tracking to the east, and so despite the dry start, I think a lot of us are going to start to get wet as we head towards lunchtime today, with light to moderate rain from about lunchtime through the afternoon, and then by this evening it really should become just real spotty, real light activity. So if you're going to the Scrappers home opener this evening, taking on the State College Spikes, I would expect there to be a shower in spots. It'll be damp, it'll be cool, but it will not be a washout. There will not be any thunder and lightning in the area. So here's your radar loop. Again, things heading east, and we do expect a wet afternoon. So let's take a look at the high-res short-term model here, just to get a little more specific on the timing of the rain. Here's the simulated radar in a few hours, right at noon. Here's the rain pushing in from the west at noon. So again, if you're heading out to lunch, grab the umbrella. By 2 p.m., we're still in the kind of steadiest part of the rain early this afternoon, with some heavy thunderstorms down along the Ohio River and points south. Again, I don't think we have to worry about thunder here today. By 4 p.m., the back edge of that steady rain's pushing out. And while there could be a leftover shower this evening, yeah, we're not looking at the steady rain that we would have had earlier on. Now, I do want to touch on the upcoming weekend situation because it's not great, that's for sure. Actually, let's show you the NAM model, North American model. I'm going to skip ahead to Saturday morning. What we have going on Saturday, after a calm day tomorrow, fairly cloudy, what we have going on tomorrow night and into Saturday, strong low pressure system is going to track into southern Ohio. It's going to start to rain tomorrow night, and boy, if you're an early riser on Saturday, it should really be pouring first thing Saturday morning. Here's 8 a.m., the center of that low just off to our south, heavy rain. Here at midday, 1 p.m., this is when the steadiest and heaviest of the rain should be shifting out. By 1 p.m., the axis of heaviest rain is up here, actually a little dry slot trying to develop. So I would expect the rain to taper off a little after lunchtime on Saturday. Sure, there can be some showers after that, but it does not look like it'll be the deluge that the morning hours likely will be. So here's late in the afternoon, heavy rain over Lake Erie, heavy rain eastern PA, spotty showers in the WFMJ viewing area. Same idea Saturday evening at 8 p.m. But I'll tell you, this is a lot of water heading our way. Here's a look at the National Weather Service rain forecast. This counts today's rain and also takes into account what's going to happen over the weekend. This orange area that encompasses all of eastern Ohio and western PA, this is 3 inches worth of new rain. So yes, we are concerned about flooding on Saturday, particularly morning and midday. This will not be the thunderstorm activity that drops localized amounts of heavy rain. Everyone's going to get in on some of this heavy rain late Friday night and into Saturday morning. So of course we're going to keep updating those forecasts, get a little more specific as we get a little bit closer, but just plan on a pretty wet afternoon today, a wet Saturday morning with more spotty showers in the afternoon. And Sunday's not great either. Even though no heavy rain's in the forecast for Sunday, there's going to be showers around, it's going to be chilly, it's going to be breezy, it's going to feel like fall on Sunday. I promise you we're going to get out of this pattern, and we just got to get through the weekend before things start to improve. All right, make it a great day. More updates, as always, on Facebook and on Twitter throughout the day. Jess will have you updated on TV at noon, and I'll see you at 6 and 11.